Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix Gmail not loading. So to start, open your phone settings. Now scroll down and go to General. Now scroll down and go to iPhone storage. Next, scroll down and look for Gmail and open it. Now in here, what you need to do is you can click Offload App. Click Offload App again to confirm it. So this will free up storage used by the app but keep its documents and data. So once reinstall app appears, go ahead and click on that. So reinstalling the app will place back your data. So wait for it to finish. So once finished, open Gmail again and see if that solves the issue. Next is to check your internet connection. So open your settings, then go to Wi Fi and make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection. You can also switch to another network to see which one is stronger. You can also turn this off for about 10 to 30 seconds, then turn it on again. Connect to a Wi Fi and see if that works. You can also go back and turn on airplane mode, then turn it off after 10 seconds. Connect to a Wi Fi and go back to Gmail and see if that works. Next, you can also install Gmail to the latest update. You can go to App Store or Play Store, then search for Gmail. Then in here, open it and update it to the latest version. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.